Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add slow motion to your videos in Davinci Resolve. It's quite simple. If you have shot your footage at a higher frame rate, it will be easier and it won't look very choppy. But if you want to add slow motion to any video that you have, it's quite simple. As you can see, I have this clip of this man doing a cartwheel. So let's say I want to add slow-mo before he jumps and does the cartwheel. So I want the slow-mo to start from here. Well, then you will have to make a cut. You can select the blade tool by clicking on this button. Once you have selected the tool, click on the timeline to make a cut, and once that is done, you can go ahead and cut the section where you want the slow-mo to end. So yeah, once this is done, you can go back to the selection tool and select the clip that you want the slow-mo to get added for. So yeah, once you have made the cuts, you will see that the slow motion will start here and end here. Once the clip has been selected, click on Inspector. Under here you will see this option called Speed Change. Just click on that and make sure Ripple Timeline is selected, and you can put the speed at 50%. It will slow the video down to half. Once you click enter, you will see that the clip size has increased and the video has gone a little slower. I'll quickly play it to give you guys a preview. And that is an easy way to add slow motion to your videos. Now you will see that it's not very visually appealing. There are some blur points and there is some ghosting involved. Now to eliminate this, you can scroll down and click on retime and scaling. Once you click on this, click on retime process, select the drop down menu and go ahead and click on optical flow. Once you have put this in, it will look a lot smoother. As you can see, it is done a great job, and you have some other options as well, but they're only available for the studio version. So if you have a footage which is at 30 frames per second, it is quite easy to slow it down to 50%. But if you have, let's say, a video which is at 24 frames per second, it can get a little hard and it won't look very nice. So yeah, that was pretty much it on how you can easily add slow motion to your videos in Davinci Resolve. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.